This is cabin 10698 on the Oasis of the Seas. This is an ocean view balcony. When you come in, your bathroom will be on your left-hand side. Your thermostat and your light controls will be on the wall next to the door. They do have your shower with your 2-in-1 shampoo and body wash. There is no clothesline if you were looking for that to dry your clothes, but they do have the hooks inside. It also has the little ledge to put your foot up for shaving, a little toe rest. Your bathroom area has storage on the side and a little drawer. It does have a little bit of storage underneath also. Coming out, you have a full-length mirror, your king-size bed. On this side, they do have a little bedside light. Your closet area will have your safe in here with some shelving. And then on this side, we'll have your, door sticks a little bit. Your hanging area with your, this does collapse, goes up and down if you need extra hanging space. They do have a little bit of storage over here. On this side does have your light switch for all the lights and another light. There is no outlets next to the bed. They do have a sofa. That sofa looks relatively new. It's in really good shape, actually. They have shelving above. And then your desk area. This is going to be your refrigerator area, your little cooler. Your drawer area with your hair dryer and your tissues, and then these are just empty drawers for your storage. They also have your backlit mirror and storage on this side of the light and also down below. Does have an outlet here, and then underneath the desk is going to be your other outlets. Going out to the balcony, this does have 2 tables and a chair. And when you look outside, when you look down, the lifeboats are underneath you. And that is cabin 10968 on the Oasis of the Seas.